This Asian ramen noodle salad recipe with 5 variations is quick, easy, and highly addictive. One of my favorites is the mango, edamame, and avocado, but closely followed by pineapple, avocado, and sweet peppers. Next up, we're going to crumble and toss those ramen noodles on a baking sheet and bake them for about 8 minutes. Now it's time to add your favorite add-ins. Again, it really lends itself to any combination of ingredients. Now it's time to make the yummy sesame honey vinaigrette. Shake up all those ingredients, and now it's time to drizzle it over the ramen noodles. I like to do this about 30 minutes before serving because this allows that sesame dressing to really soak into the cabbage and adds that boost of Asian flavor. Get more recipes on ourtablefor2.com.